Our programs are only possible because we have amazing corporate partners and corporate volunteers. Ultimately, a lot of the heavy lifting from the topic presentations to helping out with the lab exercises falls to our corporate volunteers and corporate partners who are hosting these kids so generously in their office spaces across the country, providing food and mentorship for these young learners.
Our employees have the opportunity to spend their time volunteering and helping lots of different community organizations throughout the Dallas-Fort Worth area. This one in particular is something that's really close to home and very closely aligned to their passion and what they're doing in their career every day. They get to participate in something that they already enjoy.
I'm so excited that Perficient got involved in this. You see all these events happening and boot camps that are run, and I always wanted to get involved. This was just a perfect opportunity.
I'm one of those individuals that I say, you have to be able to be yourself at work. For me, it's always being a civil citizen. It's being out in the community. So the fact that we're bringing the community into a large organization like this, it made it all the better.
It's a way of being part of it and helping give back and seeing these kids and everything that they could do.
I'm jealous of these students. I think AI, machine learning, it's the present, it's the future.
They are the next evolution. They are the next entrepreneurs. They're the next envisionators. They're going to be building our next better humanity.
And they've come in with so much rigor, so much energy. Even this morning we had a parent say, "Thank you so much. Like, my son comes home and he's illuminated." And I think that's the thing that makes you want to give up your Saturday, because you're contributing to something that's far greater.
The mentors are amazing here. I actually am hoping to take one of them out in like a lunch thing to get to know what type of certifications I need to work at a company like this.
Just understanding that someone who has the same background as the one that I want to pursue, it opened my mind to saying that anything is possible, and I feel like that's really opened my eyes and given me an open mind on machine learning and AI.